Potato is simple, classic, and always delicious. Let me show you how I make this recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to be needing some Irish potatoes, okay? So here, the Irish potato is well cleaned. So I went ahead to peel. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do what to support us. Subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free of charge. Like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Transfer in a bowl of water, add little salt, and give it a nice wash. Cut into smaller parts or to your desired size.
I rise off like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, not feeling she use. Now memory she they produce. As she turn and ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you they chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. In no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
Over here, the potatoes is well cut. Now transfer into a cooking pot. Okay, I added some water here. Yeah, wash it into the pot. Once that is done, cover the pot and cook until the potatoes is well done or softens. I added some salt to taste. So we're going to be needing some eggs for this recipe. Over here is the egg. Let's cook it, right? So the next we have our lettuce well cleaned. Now chop. Yeah, chop it into tiny parts. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira de cool. With love in our hand. You go taste them.
Now let's go ahead to grate our carrots, okay? You can use your grater or a knife.
Tomato sweet like pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go heal you. Now kitchen be a sacred place where she dey smile with gentle grace. Oh Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. In no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, where so they rest. Her food go beat for your chest. You go no say you dey home. With Mira, you know alone.
Over here, the carrot is ready, okay? So I got a plate, okay? I poured it into a plate, added some boiled water, okay? This method is totally optional. Yeah, because I want the carrot to soften a bit, okay? After for about 10 minutes, drain the water out and set aside.
No recipe, not feeling she used. Now memory she they produce.
I'm going to be repeating the same method here with my cucumber, apple, and onions, okay? Except adding hot water, okay? But for the onions, I added hot water for like 2 minutes, then I drain it out, okay? Once done, set everything, set them aside.
Mira's kitchen, like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
Now let's go ahead to make our cream. Over here I added some mayonnaise. Yeah, so now I went in with my Greek yogurt, squeeze in some lemon juice. Feel free to add or use any herbs of your choice. So here I added some dill. Okay, I went in with some honey. You add to your taste. Okay, 1 spoon. Give it a nice stir until it is well combined, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Once done mixing set aside, let's go ahead to mix our salad. In a big bowl of salad, I added my cucumber, chops, apple, sweet corns. We now go in with our carrots. Yeah, yes, so our paste. So feel free to add any ingredients of your choice, anything that you like. I went in with my onions. I added my lettuce. We now add in our cooked Irish potatoes. Now went in with the cream. You add to your taste and some boiled egg. What next, guys? You go ahead to mix gently. The color is giving. It is giving. You can't resist this potato salad.
I rise off like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, not feeling she use. Now memory she they produce. As she turn her ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you did.
Serve and enjoy in whichever way you prefer. Honestly, the taste of this salad, oh my god, is out of this world and you cannot resist it. This tasted so super delicious. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. If you will, let me know what you think in the comment section. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you, my amazing people, for watching. See you guys in our next cooking videos. And remember, bye.